Halo guys, Happy New Year for all of you. Semoga di tahun 2022 semua perjalanan trading kalian yang lagi belajar, yang lagi trading, semuanya bisa mulus. Okay, so this is uh, my first video untuk 2022 dan kita akan lihat menganalisa market di awal quarter atau kejauhan kali quarter ya. Mungkin satu pekan pertama dulu, minggu pertama 2022, what do I expect all the markets. Okay, let's start with our superstar gold. So kemarin ekspektasi, di luar ekspektasi, biarpun harga dianalisa kita mau 1828 kan, kemarin yang ikutin Instagram saya, kita target itu 1828, that is the fifth wave. Wave kelima dari wave ketiga secara mikro, 5 minutes. Oke. Okay. Nah kemarin waktu sampai di wave 3 of 3, kita ada cabut. Kita ada cabut, dan honestly, sudah cabut itu udah ngeliat market lagi, karena sudah persiapan, udah santai kan, gak mau lihat market lagi, we had enough. So waktu malam saya cek, unexpectedly it rallies to the fifth wave, sampai wave kelima di sini. So my expectation untuk ini bukan tiga lagi, tiga seharusnya di sini, alright, and this is the fifth wave. As you can see, kenapa saya bilang ini wave keempat? Saya belum update, sampai saya belum update chart juga karena masih belum, ini pertama nih bukannya. Wave, this is the fourth wave adalah this is the fifth. Okay. So the MACD reset to the zero area, if you can see. Alright. So fourth wave selalu MACD-nya itu biasa saya nandainnya MACD reset. And 3, 4, 5 itu biasa divergence. Alright. And this is divergence. Okay, so we can see, we can say that the fifth wave are completed. If price, jika harga di hari besok tidak extend, artinya nggak extend, duanya nggak extend, like wave kelimanya nggak extend, but it looks like it could extend. Let's see apakah sudah ada 5 wave di wave keempat kelima ini. Let's count together. This is 1, 2 of wave 4, 1, 2 of wave 4. Oke, jadi ini lebih mikro lagi ya. Kita ngitung wave di dalam wave kelima ini, paham ya? This is 1, 2 of wave 4, and this is 3 of 3 of wave 4, 3 of 3 of wave 4, wave 3 of wave 4, wave 4 of wave 4, and wave 5 of wave 4. Alright, so it's completed. 5 wave-nya complete, kecuali dia mau extend. So what I expect from tomorrow market is I need to wait for the price to retrace. Okay, at least this, ini udah jadi another 1, 2, right? This is another 1, 2, 1. Okay, so at least to this area, 1804 for now, 1804. Tapi kalau nanti ada AB, then we can calculate the C untuk re-entry di yang ini. Kenapa ngukurnya dari sini? Karena untuk medium term, target kita itu kan di sini kan, 1.236. 1.236 baru wave 3 of 3 dari yang hijau. Nah tadi kan kita hitung yang kuning, ya. The whole kuning thing, keren kan bahasa Inggrisnya kan? The whole kuning thing ini adalah wave 3 dari yang kecil ini. Part of this green one. Jadi ini adalah bagian yang lebih besar, bagian dari yang hijau ini. Nah tapi kan dari wave kedua kan 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, ya. Dari 2 yang hijau ke 3 yang hijau nantinya kan perlu 5 wave ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gitu loh. Jadi we need to see, jadi yang kita ukur itu adalah yang kuning ini. Okay, we need to see price to retrace again before the continuation to this. Alright. Bisa nggak harga tuh rally sampai sini ya? Bisa aja. Everything's possible, like seperti kemarin kan kita cabut di wave ke 3 of 3, Saya pikir nanti di tahun baru, lewat tahun baru, baru dia nyambung ke wave kelima, tapi langsung ngejar target sebelum tahun baru tutup, langsung kelar wave kelimanya untuk micro-nya. So kita expect price untuk retrace a bit, for us to give some chance untuk re-entry di kereta wave ketiga dan ketiga ini. Oke, wave ketiganya sebenarnya di sini 1884. But kenapa saya bilang pengen di sini mungkin need to exit because of this. If you remember my previous video, we have a risk of a triangle. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, E, and exposure is on the here. Okay, 1400-an. So if you read some analysis out there saying that gold can go to 1,400 something, they're not totally wrong, because the planning still exists. Unless price can breaks up, bisa break 1860 and we can see wave 3. Alright, so and then on retracement, then we are safe. We can choose this triangle might be invalidated. Alright, jadi saya mending loss, maksudnya bukan loss loh, saya mending ngejar ke wave 3 dari ketiga 1.236. Kemudian bro, kalau dia naik sampai 1884 sayang dong. It's okay, it's alright. You wasted what, $24 of gold that you don't actually lose the money. Kamu nggak lost duitnya, hanya lose kesempatannya, tapi kamu bisa re-entry di turun daripada begitu dia rally ke bawah, triangle-nya kelar. Wah, itu hidup kita juga kemungkinan akan kelar. Okay, that's for gold. So minggu pertama mungkin kita akan sit and sitting nicely waiting for the chance for re-entry. Saya akan update terus di Instagram saya, baik secara skala mikro maupun makro. And the next one we have silver. Okay, silver, I think my counting on silver somehow got deleted, but not to worry, we're waiting for, let's say this is one. All right, okay, this shows a good entry, but then price went back here. So since gold is gonna retrace, maybe tomorrow I will count. Saya bakal hitung potensi untuk ABC-nya. Let's say this is A, okay? This is A and B. Maybe let's see, I need to give some time to calculate. Okay, it looks good actually. It looks good. This should be C. If this is B, so it's A, B, C. Okay, it's completed. So on what we will do on Monday morning, tomorrow Monday, sambil ngerjain gold, we need to see these 5 waves up on micro, skala micro. Kita masuk 5 menit. I might just show it to you right now. So that I'll show it to you right now. Let's count the micro. Whether we see 5 waves up. All right. So the highest one is 3, 2 of 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is 3. This is 3, 3 of 3. This 3 of 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Lepas di bottomnya. Alright, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 masuk wave kelima dari ketiga, so 3. Alright, the MACD to back to 0. Kalau Anda ingat tadi yang di menit-menit pertama, MACD back to 0 means that is wave 4. Alright, 3, 4, MACD back to 0, 5. Completed. And this is the corrections, A, B, C. Nice. So let me mark this down. We have 1, 2. And we just need to calculate this 1, 2. Let's calculate this one too. Alright, on Monday, what we'll do is we need to wait for the price to go to this zone, di zona ini. Alright, and then we need to wait for the pullback. For what? We need to wait for the 1-2, small 1-2. Pull back to this zone again. Kita perlu harganya naik dulu ke zona ini, terus pull back ke zona yang balik ke zona ini 23,6 ini untuk entry. Then you're gonna chase this area. Okay, that is the plan. Okay, I just make a live plan for you guys. Alright, for DAX. DAX is a little bit tired tadi kejar-kejar anak makan. DAX chasing 16,000. It fails. Right now, we are on the third wave. Okay, and there's a possible re-entry on wave 4. Wave 4 is gonna be on this area. Okay, wave 4 is gonna be this area. So let's see if price retrace to 15,704, 15.704, itu bakal provide a good support to go in. But then, since we can see the A, and this is possible B, ini adalah A dan ini adalah possible B, let's calculate where the C might reside. Mana? Oke. Ini mau murah ini. Klik nggak jalan-jalan. Alright. Yep. So between 1 and 1.236. So di kotak ini masih benar. So the C might here. Alright, maybe 15.735, 15.704 sampai 15.735. Ya, if you want to be safe, ya buat aja 750 ya. Kalau voting dikit lah. Wave keempat. That's the C. So we have A, B. This is possible B, right? Enaknya gitu kalau ada possible B. Then we wait for the C. Wait. Oh, kan bisa turun, bro. Can I sell this? I already told you so many times in my live video. Do not trade. Don't trade corrections. Okay? Things can go wrong horribly. Okay, I don't need to explain this video, right? Let's say you're selling this. Belum sampai C-nya, and then terbang dia. Karena kalau kita belum ada yang terposisi, kita bisa ngitung dia retrace masuk lagi. Tapi kalau Anda sudah sell, dia terbang rally, nggak ada ampun. Okay, the third wave is here, 16.830. Okay, kemudian kalau dia retrace pun nggak sampai posisi Anda masuk, lalu terbang ke wave kelima, ada di 18.000. Long term, wave ketiga ada di 17.000. Long term side, okay? So, don't play. Very dangerous. Don't play with fire, my friend. Gold, not gold. Yeah, gold, black gold. Black gold is a oil. Let's see what we have on oil. So right now, what's the data like this? Okay. So right now, this is the third wave zone. All right, third wave zone, third of 3 of 3. And then we just retrace to a nice 4 of 3 zone. Wave keempat dari wave kita zonanya cakep banget di 76,4, pas banget, dan kita hitung dia punya 5 wave the complete, and this is the ABC. Alright, so we might resume to the 5th wave. From what I'm saying, kita kalkulasi, ini kita delete, nggak perlu lagi, udah pasti complete. Kalau kita mau kalkulasi mikronya, let's say you want to calculate the micro waves of the 4th wave. Okay, so let's see. Ini dah pasti 1, 2. Ini dah pasti 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. Okay, there's a possibility price could retrace as low as this area. Cool. Mungkin. Okay, mungkin. Because Ini adalah clearly, I don't see this is 2 and same. Okay, this might be the 1 2, might be okay. This might be the 1 2. Okay, so if this is the 1 2, then we need to calculate. This is the 1 2 completed. Yep, fifth wave done. If this 1 2 looks done as corrections, price looks good. Jadi ini bakal menjadi another 1 2. Menjadi 1 2. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau hitung dia punya retracement, let's say, okay, 71 is a good area to entry, but I will recalculate the details tomorrow. But the summary is I'm looking higher. I look higher for gold, for the black gold to this area. Okay, let's see the daily chart. This area 92.03 in the long run. Okay, in the long run, but I will update you on the micro side on the Instagram. Okay, pound US dollar. Pound US dollar looks good on the fourth wave right now. Okay, looks good since I planned. I have nothing to update on pound US dollar. You can check my previous video. It's all according to plan. Euro US dollar. I also have nothing to update on Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar 3. Let's check. 15 minutes. Let's see. This is the right 15 minutes, not half an hour. 3. Okay. 4. Kita menuju wave keempat di sini. Alright, you might want to be careful here. Anyone's buying, because price might resume, continue to the fifth wave, 3 of 3. Okay, di bawah. Okay, here. Okay, here. 1.09. Unless there's some truncations, but based on discounting, price could head lower before actually complete satu cycle ini untuk going up. But then this whole thing looks like a 1 2 to me. Okay, looks like a 1 2 to me. So the buy scenario is not there yet, but I will say there's a possible buy here. Let's see, there's a possible buy situation here for good re-entry is on the price here, 1.1169, which already strike down, ada di sini kemarin low-nya. So if I have to trade this, I prefer to go on long. But first I will target this area first, maximum. Karena ini ada overlap dengan cycle yang turun ke sini. Sampai ini terinvalidasi, okay, and we see 5 waves up here, and then we see some healthy retracement under the higher high, and then we can say kemungkinan untuk di sini udah kecil, and we up looking higher. Secara majornya sih, this looks like a form of reversal. We have a very nice 1 2 1 2 3 price could recover on this area on Euro US dollar on 2020. So if you have any previous buy positions on top of it, do not lose hope, or don't read too much media saying blah 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 blah, economic is bad, something like that. And the hope is always there. What goes up must goes down. What goes up can goes up again. Okay, right? And what am I saying? What goes down can goes up again. So if I have to trade this euro, because I don't trade FX that much, saya akan lebih milih posisi buy karena this is very looks good on 1 2 1 2 and changing to the third wave. Alright, just need some confirmations. US dollar yen. Okay, US dollar yen. I say price still on the way to the third wave. Okay, so I don't really have nothing to add as well on US dollar yen. I'm looking higher. But it looks like there's some consolidation here. Maybe some flat, or maybe some diagonal, something like that. We need to confirm later on. but right now the counting says could go higher. The fourth wave is struck right now, bounce up to the fifth wave. Since that fourth to the fifth, the fourth to the fifth can takes like maybe months to happen, right? Can delay, tree-nya bisa lagi ini lama sekali baru retrace lagi, baru kita baru capai ke wave ketiga. Wave ketiga bisa lagi retrace ke sini, bisa lama. So things could be slow for euro, US dollar yen, but I still look higher on US dollar yen. Unlikely on pound yen. Things are looks good for now, for bull right now, but I favor this could be our B, all right, and this could be our A, okay, and I'm still looking for one more C, which this could affect price movement on US dollar yen as well. Okay, we could see some other retracement before price actually going up. Okay, once this completed the ABC, then we can say we can calculate for new bullish scenario. Ini bisa nggak bro? Udah kelar ABC gini loh, ini ABC ini udah. ABC bisa kelar. Maybe, but then this has to prove first. Untuk validasi apakah ini udah kelar, satu-satunya cara adalah menunggu ini ciptakan higher high baru. Wah, lama dong. I told you, trading is a game of waiting. Well, at least this is my way of doing things. So, if you want to be, kalau ada cara baru, mau pakai indikator atau apa untuk entry buy atau sell, it's up to you. But I prefer to sit down and wait for the next confirmations on pound yen. Alright, what else? What else? Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian followed all level perfectly. Okay. Ini ada a little bit lower than what we expected, but things still looking good. Okay. Although there's an alternate fifth and alternate C here, but as long as this low hold, price could go to 1.47 on Euro Canadian. Alright, and Swiss yen is going based on our plan. Sekarang dari 3 of 3, udah masuk di area 3 of 3, resistance dari 3 of 3. Okay, dan area resistance 1, maximum it could extend is to this area. Ini garis panah putih ini artinya sejauh ini saya expect-nya. Bisa sejauh ini, tapi ini udah termasuk area with 3 of 3. So, if dia retrace dari sini, I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, this is the take profit area. If you bought from this area yang sudah kita bilang, and kalau Anda lihat tanda panah ini, kita udah analisa udah jauh-jauh hari dari wave the second wave 1 2, and price is going exactly through the plan. The wave 1, the blue one, of course, not valid anymore, and the retracement, how far the retracement can go is this area, all right, 119.05, but could extend. So we expect some retracement. That's the summary. Okay, last but not least, Euro yen 3-4, and still trying to go to the fifth of the third wave ketiga sebelum akhirnya satu wave complete cycle di level 139. So masih matching dengan, ini lebih match ke USD yen, but it might be affected with yen movement with the pound. So that's why I said things could go a little bit slow with yen. Alright, okay, last one, maybe SK50. SK50 playing really slow, real slow. Alright, but it's been heading towards our area, our buy area. Alright, so things looking good. I don't suggest you to sell this or buy this yet. If you want to buy, of course, juga bisa aja mau buy, tapi prepare lah untuk, Anda boleh beli, boleh. Tapi prepare karena dia bisa at least di sini dan bisa extend sampai sini. Alright. So I think that's all our review untuk market update di awal 2022. I hope you guys enjoy this and somewhat this can be useful for you guys. Semoga bermanfaat. Jika ada pertanyaan, Follow my Instagram @alexlex_2, and you can send me direct message there. Anda bisa kasih ada pertanyaan. Kalau di YouTube boleh juga kasih komen. Nanti saya akan coba balas sesuai dengan kapasitas dan kemampuan saya. Alright guys, I wish you great success di 2022 ini. Again, Happy New Year. May the profit be with you. Bye-bye.